When I write my books, I have my mind set on the fifth book for your child. For example, there are 5 books for girls and 5 books for boys. And the fifth book is the one for teenagers who are 15 years and up, and it teaches them about sexual maturity. The books that precede that all have a theme in them, or several themes actually, that I'm developing in an age-appropriate way through the years, so that by the time they get to the fifth book, they've already built a great foundation of understanding, and now they're ready to pull it all together and make great choices for themselves now that they're sexually mature. I would suggest you take a similar methodology as you teach your children. When you start out and they're just little, 5 to 7 years old, you can talk to them about basic anatomy, help them learn some terminology, answer simple questions. As they get into that 8 to 10-year-old age group, that's when you need to start explaining to them the changes that are going to happen in their body as a result of puberty. The more information you give them about puberty, the more confident they're going to be through those years. They're not going to just be learning from friends and internet. They're going to be learning from you, and they're going to be prepared for the changes that are going to happen. They're significant and can be embarrassing if they're not ready for them. The last part is that piece that takes them to sexual maturity. So they're going to be finished with puberty, both boys and girls, by about 14, 15 years old. And then we need to get them to help them to understand what the future is going to hold for them now that they're reproductively mature. All of this happens in an age-dependent way. We don't start telling a 5 to 7-year-old about sexual maturity because they're just not going to get it. Steps, baby steps, all the time, presenting new information about concepts that you think are important for them to understand, or things maybe that you didn't understand and you want to make sure they do. But keep it within the emotional maturity level of your child. Such an important concept. Certainly helped me come up with these 5 books rather than just one. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.